I'd always imagined when I was writing the film that it would start with shots of water. This is a scene in the first real dialogue in the film where we establish the relationship between the two main characters.
Hi, this is Adam Salke, the director of Dare.
This is David Brend. I'm the writer and co-producer of Dare. The credits were actually the idea originally of Jason Orens,
Yes.
one of our producers, who thought it would be really cool to have a kind of cartoon animated text messaging credits. I think, Adam, you should talk about this shot, because this actually we didn't get when we were originally shooting the scene. We had to go back and get that opening shot.
Hello, Norwegian Facebook friends. This is Anna Silk from Lost Girl. We just wanted to let you know that Season 2 of Lost Girl airs on TNT at 10 p.m. every weekday. It is a fantastic season. Don't miss it.
I was in various bands while I was still at school, and one of them was a band that was managed and produced by Rolling Stone Bill Wyman.
We're getting out. What? Get up! I don't want to. I don't want to get into trouble again.
It's the end of the day. Still can't see a pit stand. It's the end of the day. And my roommate still hasn't brought me my pizza rolls. Mom!
Solar Wi-Fi EcoBins are the latest green energy product from Angel Soul Power Corporation. Made of sleek stainless steel, they're the most effective recycling and refuse collection station on the market because they create income for the companies who deploy them.
Настоящие инновации меняют общество. Они вдохновляют людей на изменение способа мышления и реакции на окружающий мир.